Imagine drifting through the silence of space towards a dark event horizon.
You might ask yourself, what is spaghettification and why is it so deadly?
It sounds like a funny pasta reference, but the reality is absolutely terrifying. This phenomenon describes the vertical stretching and horizontal compression of objects in gravity. By the end of this video, you will understand how black holes devour stars. To grasp the spaghettification, meaning we must first look at how gravity works. On Earth, gravity pulls on your head and feet with almost equal strength. You do not feel stretched because the difference in force is totally negligible. But black hole spaghettification changes the rules of physics in a violent way. Imagine you are falling feet first towards the center of a dark singularity. The gravity at your feet becomes significantly stronger than the gravity at your head. This difference in gravitational pull across your body is called a tidal force. As you get closer, that difference grows until it exceeds your body strength. The forces overcome the molecular bonds that hold your flesh and bones together. You are ripped apart and stretched into a long, thin stream of particles. That is the literal spaghettification definition, because you resemble a long noodle.
This explains how does spaghettification work, but it also applies to entire stars. Astronomers have observed spaghettification black hole events happening in distant galaxies right now. A star wanders too close and gets shredded into a stream of hot gas. Interestingly, the size of the black hole determines when this stretching actually occurs. With a small black hole, the tidal forces would kill you instantly outside. You would be ripped apart before you even reach the point of no return. But with supermassive black holes, you might survive crossing the event horizon first.
Spaghettification inside black holes remains one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics today. Once you become a stream of atoms, there is absolutely no way to return. What does spaghettification mean for the future of space travel and human exploration? It serves as a grim reminder of the absolute power of nature in space.
With spaghettification explained, we can appreciate the safety of our own home planet. Gravity here keeps us grounded without ripping our atoms into tiny pieces.
If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Comment below if you would dare to travel near a black hole event horizon.